Felsa Marie, aka FMHartworks, and welcome back to my channel. So for you who doesn't know, I'm Felsa, a contemporary artist, and I just thought I would come on and make this video to say hello to all of you guys and show you some of my works. So I focus on creating abstract artworks and women portraits. And if you're going to ask me what's my inspiration behind my works, well, my feelings and my emotions affects my work a lot, like a lot. Right, so my paintings are all about those feelings and emotions that makes me feel human. You know what I mean? So medium wise, I always use acrylic paint and my favorite, gold leaf. And my artworks looks like this. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like my paintings. And yeah, see you again in my next video. Bye!